Tell me what you want, or tell me what you need. I want you lying in my bed. Wish you could stay.
Look, tell me what the deal is. Should I end this now, hit the kill switch? Tell them I'm the illest. Tell them put me on and I will kill this. You should ask my niggas in the building. Oh, I never took this shit serious. Made a couple hits, so I got a bit curious. Like damn, can I get the bag now? Didn't have the bag then, don't got the bag now. Tell the coach, put me in the game and call a timeout. Can't it how I wild out, for haters what they foul mouth. Pops gave me 28, but damn how he file out. Shit just makes me mad to grab the hammer and just ride out. I have dreams at night, cold sweats, man, I scream at night. I need that deal, that's right. I have dreams at night, cold sweats, man, I scream at night. I need that deal, that's right.
What an intro, what an intro. Am I right or am I right? All seriousness, first things first, I want to say thank you guys for all that you've done. Thank you for the likes, thank you for the comments, thank you for the subscriptions. And I say that not just for the giveaway, but those that did before the giveaway. Wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be where we are. And hey, we're officially about to start season 2. And let's not drag this out any longer, because clearly that's what we're doing. So the next video you guys are going to see are those that actually won the giveaway. So drum roll please for those lucky individuals.
Y'all, I just got home and look what came in the mail. I'm so excited. I won the exclusive Ivy Park giveaway. Ah, look how cute this bag is. This is the Ivy Park belt bag. It's so fun. It's the details for me. I absolutely love it. Beyonce and her team did so good. And the Ultraboost shoes. Y'all, look at this. My favorite part of the shoe is super cute little tag that comes on it. And it's Ivy Park. Thank you so much, JustZay. Shout out to him. Make sure you follow him on YouTube.
Yo, I can't believe I won this bag from Home Team Zay. Got the Ivy Park bag right here, just in time for the holiday season. Make sure you guys check out his channel on YouTube. Might win you some dope stuff. Yes, sir.